As a leading international paper and packaging group, Mondi is fully integrated across the entire value chain. In particular, our philosophy entails continuously optimizing and investing in production and preserving both natural and social assets. Because, like life, passionate papermaking is a cyclical process. This video illustrates the production process in the paper segment of our fibre packaging business unit, which manufactures and sells container board, sack kraft paper, and specialty kraft paper. But to show you this fascinating process, we need to start a little earlier. Maybe not that early. It all starts with wood. A lot of wood. There are three principal raw materials. Wood logs from responsibly managed forest thinning programs procured through a sustainable and transparent supply chain, recycled paper products, and wood chips, which are a byproduct of sawmills. Virgin fibre guarantees high strength, but depending on the demands to be met by the end product, recycled fibre can be used as well. Balancing these resources efficiently is essential in order to maintain a closed product cycle. The wood logs are transported to the debarking drum and washed. After debarking, they are fed to the chipper, which produces chips with uniform dimensions and proportions. Thoroughly executed inspections at every stage of the process ensure the best possible outcome at the end of the production line. But how to get perfect fibres out of the raw material? Wood chips are transported to the pulp mill. Recycled paper is fed to the repulper. The mass goes through a variety of huge boilers, tubes, and vessels. It is washed, chemicals are added, and out comes the pulp. Reducing energy inputs and greenhouse gas emissions is a major focus and is reflected in our successful initiative, Growing Responsibly, because it's good for the environment and business. To help us achieve ambitious energy targets, for many years we've been investing in modern recovery systems in pulp production and the efficient use of biomass byproducts. The recovery boiler recovers chemicals from black liquor and burns the residual organic matter, which produces heat that we use to generate electricity. Supplying heat and electricity is a positive side effect of an efficiently managed pulp production process. Compared with many energy-intensive industries, papermaking in an integrated pulp and paper mill makes very efficient use of the input materials. All of the wood is usefully consumed, both the fibre and the energy content. The next step of the process transforms the sticky mass into even paper sheets. For this, we need a state-of-the-art paper machine. This impressive installation consists of three main parts and the real finishing line at the very end. Wire section. The head box distributes the pulp, which consists of 99% water, on the wire section. Here the pulp is dewatered with the aid of gravity, vacuum, and hydrodynamic forces. The press. Then the mass is transported on felts through the press section, where the water content drops to 60%. The extracted water is collected, purified, and recycled by way of closed loops and wastewater treatment plants. Because sustainability is part of every single process. Drying section. Heated cylinders in the drying section further reduce the water content to around 6 to 7%. The paper is wound to form huge rolls at a rate of up to 90 kilometers an hour. At the very end of this line is the mother roll. A finished roll weighs as much as 100 tons. End to end, such a roll would reach 100 kilometers. Here again, of course, careful checks guarantee consistent quality. Once the mother roll has reached its desired size, a winder transfers the paper to smaller rolls. These are cut and are now ready for loading, transport and further processing. Converters transform the paper into a multitude of end products and a huge variety of final packaging solutions used by millions of people worldwide. That's what we're proud of, producing the Mondi way, delivering best quality products in every detail.